that's where we're at. And then, nah, the legs. Why y'all doing legs, bro?
Okay.
Oh,
Perfect. You're wearing shorts.
I didn't leg yesterday. I'm doing
Huh?
legs today.
What'd you do?
Huh?
What'd you do for legs?
Squats.
Huh? What else?
I went up to squats, quads, hamstrings. I'm good. No, go do legs. Like 2 years, bro.
Yeah, bro. It's been real.
I ain't doing no legs. I got chest today. I did legs yesterday. I went up to like 455.
Exactly. It's a workout, bro. Today we're going up to 800. I switched it up. I just switched up the day too. I just do like that Friday and then second shows on Thursday and that's it. But instead of doing like shoulder sessions, I do back kind of thing. I like it, man. Got back to the other people. Yeah, man, we went crazy like this.
Feel you, bro. I think I feel like fucking 435 years. That's crazy.
You legs today.
Nah, I did legs yesterday, bro.
Huh? Exactly. It's Friday you're doing today. He told me you guys didn't even go hard.
Got the legs today again?
You want to do? You want to go do that? Yeah, I'm not. Let's see. You want me to do this? Would you rather do this?
What?
Would you rather do this first? You know, this is a good idea. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We'll do RDLs. We're gonna do RDLs on the. Are you legs or chest?
Mix it up.
Oh, you gonna
You can talk, man.
The 245 they said?
Bro, this guy's crazy. I ain't doing that shit, Ty. Oh hell no.
Hell nah.
If I didn't win heavy yesterday,
Sorry. I gotta ask. How much do you weigh?
Right now I'm at 273.
What's the goal?
You're high, man. You do it for like 200.
Did you? I guarantee you. Were you like, when did you graduate? So definitely they were walking you when you walked up to that. Oh my god. You have a TikTok or something I can find you at? Oh, is it you recording?
No, I can't.
Oh. We lost. We were 5-5. So now it's like, come here, hit like. Well, I can track it. If we go to PLU, we're all sophomore. You're a sophomore, right? Got time. It's a little D3 kind of stuff. No scholarships.
how you feel like you needed to go on the path you think you needed to go on? For me?
Who's on the phone with? Who you on the phone with, huh?
You got it.
You're lagging, bro. What are you gonna bet? Huh? What are you gonna bet?
You wanna grab the lever?
Yeah.
You wanna grab the lever? You wanna grab the lever? Piece of shit. Grab the lever!
I get it. But at the end of the day,
I like going lower so I can stretch. My full foot on it, but yeah. The bottom.
You felt like
I think I just got
at that point you were with,
that last
was it your sister or your brother?
bro, we gotta take shots.
I think I just found like my groove. Just doing the, I'll find my groove in the squat. I still remember when I worked out my first session. I still had the serve wrap over. And I looked down and I saw like my second team and I was like, oh no! I thought I lost my testes. Well, it's all done this shit.
You reminded of the accomplishments that you made that you need to basically zoomed in on and cut thinking about the nonsense that they're thinking about you.
how you eat this track? Are you that pissed? My handshake.
What? No, it's machine, so it's not gonna create any doubts. I said I only want to add one.
I'm done. Are you deaf?
I don't know, dude. I think you have one more, dude.
I'll make you wait.
You're down for that.
About your hammies, but you were gonna. I was gonna do stairway to heaven. 7 reps, 7 seconds. Break in between each set, 7 sets. Last set, the last 3 reps. It's like you're fighting someone, but they pull up and you fight them back. Okay. It's like my hamstring only hurts at
Yeah. You don't feel like that.
It's like not even I don't know.
My legs are. No, hamstring is fucking okay. I don't know how. It's just normal.
My dad said I got these bigger ones that I wanted to make.
And like okay, getting home from workout. Right now,
Down.
I can bend.
I'm right now.
Yeah, you got the boxing days. Now they're fucking good.
You know what?
I'm gonna go crazy on quad sets.
Yeah.
There's something there that I can work with. Let me know when you want to start the workout.
We're gonna do calf raises. You wanna do calf raises instead of quads? Yeah. I'd rather do. Oh, no. So hammies, quads, and calves. Check them out. Superset it.
We used to do like one set.
We'll do a superset of all of them.
I don't see why it wouldn't.
Failure.
I don't see why it wouldn't.
Failure. Quads and failure. Are you finished with these?
got your tripod also?
Huh?
You got your tripod?
You got your tripod? Yeah. It's in my bag. That shit, man. I gotta get some clips in every time I come to TBC.
This piece of shit bag?
Because there's only one to use.
This piece of shit bag?
Is that why you wore the J's?
This piece of shit bag is yours?
What? Yeah. Is that why you wore the J's?
Go ahead.
Bro, do you think you should do? I've never seen you wear J's at the gym. Because you told me that one time, you were like, why you wearing the J's at the gym? Forgot how good that fucking bench was. The little piece for the phone is in the fucking, it's in the back. I broke it.
Yeah, but like, bro, he lost like 20 pounds, bro.
There's the phone piece, and then there's the little that, and then there's the little piece for the phone. In there.
Yeah, he's skinny as fuck.
What's the last thing you looked at?
You got a rose in there?
Huh?
You got a rose? You got a dildo in there?
Yeah.
What was the last one? I think it was like 3 weeks ago.
What happened to him? We obviously
So,
don't know.
like, he got into a crash, like a motorcycle accident. So. Bro. Yeah, he pulled up on. Yeah, he was struggling, bro. I'm like, bro, you just need to chill. Let your fucking heal, bro. Just heal, bro. You know, just chill. Just, you know. He broke a rib or something. Huh?
What you can't do?
I really have no clue. He just told me he kind of got into like a motorcycle accident.
No, at the gym. What was he
Oh,
can't
like
do?
upper body.
He did it like 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Alright, so now that I got both of these, I'm gonna talk to the pro. That's the pro over here. When it comes on this shit like this.
Let his ass die. Let him wait for 10 more seconds. That's what I was over there. I was seeing it. I was watching it.
What we did? What of those?
What's the hundred?
Was this on it when I was on it the last
Yeah.
time? How much was it?
I don't know. Oh, that's 100.
Oh. I don't think I'm going with the weights route.
The leg press?
Yeah.
What the fuck is this? Fall out. Where did this go?
it's somewhere on the side here. I don't know if this is mine.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like it fell. And I caught
No, this is something else, bro. I don't know what that is.
it. Okay. Well, what stabilizes this?
How do you mean?
It's like my phone keep on going out like that. I don't know how to use this shit.
Wait, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
I have no clue. So this screws into that, yeah?
How'd you put this on?
Yeah, it's just in there. I put that in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's on?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes in there on the back
Yeah.
side. Come to find out the engineer's not the customer.
Negative influence or whatever the case is to you. I have not been such a negative influence or whatever case certain things may be.
Catch a lift with you and your boys soon.
Huh?
I'll have to catch a lift with you and your boys soon.
Bro, I'd be crazy.
Yeah.
I'd like to see like what's your numbers?
Most of the bench, I'm not a big bench conditioner now. Most of the bench is 525. Devin,
Did you say 425?
525.
525 on bench.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Casual squats.
It's casually above my 100 pounds plus my squat.
A lot of you guys come here and lift, or is it just you guys usually?
This is my first time here.
First time.
I'm trying to get him to buy a membership.
Maybe.
But I've gotten a bunch of guys
We're
to
the most consistent.
come here.
Yeah. How far is this from you guys? You guys live on campus and shit?
Yeah, I do. He lives in a house.
2 minutes from campus.
That's not bad at all. It's pretty good. Is the, like, you guys have access to a gym or something like that, like on campus? Like,
Yeah.
The hours just suck.
It's not.
You guys don't have, like, 24-hour access to athletes or anything like that?
It's not an athlete.
Really?
It's
Oh, really?
So we'll have like NARPs in there and shit.
Some furries will come in, catch a look at this.
Okay.
I mean,
They're just not open long enough or late enough.
Yeah.
Late enough for
You
early.
guys got, like, classes and workouts all the time and shit like that, too, so.
and then like the entire morning it's closed because it's athlete lifts.
Okay.
And so it works better just to buy a membership here. And there's more stuff I can do here. Like I got gnarly imbalances, so there's not a lot of single arm stuff I can do there.
If you guys get enough, have you guys met the owner here?
Yeah, Dave.
Yeah. If you get enough of you guys, you could probably talk to these.
I said it is what it is at this point. Like whatever is whatever. Because I know that's one thing I know about myself is I allow people to be themselves, and what I do is help people to do better.
You have a good rest of your leg day, Ty.
Person always closes.
I'll flex my legs. What's crazy is this is like not even that gnarly compared to last year. Oh, is this camera on it? Oh, that's my bad. I didn't see.
We need to keep our time more. time, but it started really hurting after that, so I just kind of go. We recorded it.
I did. It's recorded. You're not gonna see it on the YouTube. This one is for.
I like lazy, I don't.
How many pieces you got? How many pieces you got? This is all respect. You want to go to your mom. Daddy, were you in the military? How many years? How many years? Huh? One? You're 1 year in the military. How long are you going to spend in prison?
I'm living it. Let's go.
God damn! Oh!
Get the 30 at least. Let's go. There you go.
Ah! Ah!
Good. There you go.
Ah!
Good.
Ah!
Let's go. Come on. Get it done. Get it done. There you go. Come on.
This is dirty, motherfucker! Ah! Woo! Wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. One or two?
Just one.
Oh. Like I'm okay. How many days you train legs? Huh? How many days you train legs?
How many days? What?
Train legs.
Just 2 days. Just 2 days.
Which days?
One day we turn like Tuesday, Friday, Friday.
Tuesday, Friday.
Man, so this is Monday?
Huh? I switched it up. So,
Instead of Monday?
no. I used to do like on Thursday. And then your shoulders, I tested
Put 4 plates on there right now. Yeah, put 4 plates on there. And work that shit out with that sink shot. That's how it works. What's that, like 70?
Irving, what the fuck? What are you thinking about? Your ex is already gone. Your weight is now. Your ex is gone. Long time ago. What are you thinking about? Your ex is gone a long time ago. Huh? Did you not hear what I said? No. I said your ex is gone. Why are you thinking about it? The weight is here. This is now. It's the past. Let's stick to it now, Irvin. Let's get it. Let's go. Motherfucker.
Warm. Come on. Good. Here we go. Up.
Oh, fuck. I was like, I wish I got to stop right there.
Go do something that would damage you.
Oh, fuck.
You heard the man. You heard the man.
Chip chop. Yep. Time to bleed. That's how it's supposed to feel. Time to bleed.
Man! Get Buffy. That's what I like.
Oh shit. Everything I told you about. Good stuff, man. You did a good job, man. Yeah. Hard work. I did, but like, I had it. Oh, I missed the fourth one, huh? Yeah. This goes wrong. Yeah, I almost had it. But like, yeah, I'm pretty silly with that shit. I just stopped. You know, trying to get back to it. Yeah. I used to take up. I tried yesterday. I thought you were bare ass dogs on the yeah, that's Leroy. You know, Leroy's the better. That's Leroy. He always gonna make a fool out of it. That's it? I'm ready now. I'm ready now. What are you looking at me? I ain't never seen nothing like this, bro. My squat's way better than that, bro. I don't know. Like one of those. Come on, bitch. Oh yeah.
Ah!
Ah!
Woo! Ah! Ah!
I'm done saying anything. This guy's crazy doing like 2 days ago. Yesterday, I'm telling you, we went up to like a 455, 485, bro.
First session for the week. I'm done. Damn. I'm coming back. Oh yeah. I like this machine.